Okay, here's the deal. Went to Walmart. They had a bunch of new stuff that I haven't seen before. They're the Bakugan Battle Packs, or the 5-packs. And, I got all of them. So, I decided to make this into a 3-part video. Each part being the different one. And I decided that would be the best way to go about this. We'll kind of make it a little series. So, this will be the, Bakugan Battle Pack Part 1. So we will go with the Haos Serpenteze and Ventus Howlkor Battle Pack. And yeah, so this will be Part 1. So let's get into the box, shall we? Alright guys, so here we have the first part of the 3-part series. We have Haos Serpenteze and Ventus Howlkor Battle Pack, which is basically just a 5-pack. So the box is obviously too big to fit on camera, so I'm going to come out a little bit. There's the whole box. Take a look at the side. Start your journey to become the ultimate Bakugan master. It says Bakugan Battle Pack right there. Flip on the back side, you see all the Bakugan, all the cards. There's a lot of stuff in these boxes, guys. Flip it around this side, you see our heroes. We got Dan, Leah, and Winton. And on the top, it basically just says the same thing that was on the side right there. So, let's take a look at the Bakugan. You got a Pyrus Bakugan, an Aurelus Bakugan, and a Darkest Bakugan. And there you have Serpenteze and Howlkor. So, without any further ado, why don't we break this box open? Another... Oh, there we go. Alright, nothing left in the box, so this seems to be everything. So let's take this bad boy out of the box. Alright, so these are obviously not real cards. That is cardboard. Don't let it fool you. Alright, so first things first, let's get into this little baggie here. I'm sure this contains our cards and our instructions. Alright. So, let's see. First we have 2 Bakugan checklists and the basic game rules. Next, we have the cards. I don't believe these are in any particular order. They are not. Okay, so here we have the Hydrous. Okay, so it's telling me the Bakugan right now. Okay, we're good with that. Alright, so apparently the Pyrus Bakugan is Hydrous. It's got 400 B power and 3 attack. Here we have a Darkest Flip card, which is Cease Serenity. It is a stop card, stops all Haos or Ventus damage for 1 energy. Here we have Howlkor Ultras character card, which is 500 B power and 2 damage. Next we have Serpenteze Ultras character card, which is also 500 B power, but only 1 damage. If it lands on a shield Bakugan, it gets plus 4 damage. Next we have Darkest Trox, which is apparently what the Darkest Bakugan is. That one is 700 B power, so high B, but very low damage with only 1. Next we have, Aurelus Nilius, which is 500 B power and 5 damage. So this is pretty good, not bad at all. Next we have an ability card, which is Fire Boost, plus 400 B. Another flip card, which is a Ventus one. Ventus Power stops all non-Ventus damage, and you get to draw a card. Next ability card is Chaotic Darkness. Choose a player to discard a card. And finally, the last ability card is Beaming Blaster, which is plus 6 damage. And then it says Domination. If your Bakugan hold the most Bakukors, you get plus 12 damage instead. That's insane. Alright, so really pretty good cards in this little pack, not gonna lie. Alright, so now we're on to the 10 Bakukors, which is a lot. So let's get into those. Okay, so we have 10 Bakukors to go over. I'll try to do this relatively quick. So first things first, we have a Shield Bakukor, which is minus 200B, Trap Core. A Magic Shield, plus 600B. Another Shield, plus 100B. I don't know why I said it. Oh, yeah, okay. Another Shield, plus 400B for Darkus and Pyrus. Here we have a double Helix, which is plus Shadow Strike, which I have no idea what that is. If you guys could tell me what a Shadow Strike is in the comments below, that would be very helpful. Next we have a Flaming Fist, which is plus 5 damage. That's pretty good. Another Shield, which is plus 300B. Another Shield, plus 150B and plus 1 damage. Shield again, plus 150B. And a Fist, minus 3 damage. Overall, some pretty decent Bakukors. Now, finally, let's get into the main part of this, the Bakugan themselves. So, we'll take a look at the core Bakugan first, and then we'll look at the Ultras last. So, let me get the cores out real quick. Alright, so I got all 3 of the cores out. Let me just adjust the camera. Alright, so I got all 3 of the core Bakugan out. So here we have Aurelus Nilius, Pyrus Hydrous, and Darkus Trox. So let's see what these guys look like opened. Alright, so let's look at Hydrous. Pretty cool. I have to say, this one is probably the closest to its Ultra form. It looks very similar. Alright, so next we have Darkus Trox. And of course the arm manual. So Darkus Trox, pretty cool. This is actually my first Darkus Bakugan, so that's awesome. Good one to start, good one to start. And lastly we have Aurelus Nilius. This thing is beast. I love this thing. The colors on it are amazing. G-Power is decent, so not a bad Bakugan. Alright, so now we are going to take a look at the Bakugan Ultras, which are Haos Serpenteze and Ventus Howlkor. So I'm going to get them out of the package real quick. Alright, so here are the 2 Ultras, which are Haos Serpenteze, as I just said, and Ventus Howlkor. So let's take a look at these guys. This is my very first Serpenteze. It's a very large Bakugan. 500B right there. And as I've mentioned before, I really love the color of Haos. And here is also my first Howlkor, which is Ventus Howlkor. Very cool Bakugan. Super detailed. It's what you can really appreciate about these Ultras. Alright, so let's get all the Bakugan rolled up, and we can do some quick test rolls. Alright, so I have all the Bakukors laid out in no particular order. So I decided we're going to roll the core Bakugan first, and then we're going to roll the Ultra Bakugan last. Alright, so we're going to start with Pyrus Hydrous. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, there is Hydrous. Fix the cores up a little bit. Next we will do Aurelus Nilius. 3, 2, 1. try that again. 3, 2, 1. Alright, there is Aurelus Nilius. And last of the core Bakugan, we are going to do Darkest Trox. 3, 2, 1. Nice. The springs on these things are insanely powerful. So, there is Darkest Trox. Alright, so lastly, now we are going to do the Bakugan Ultras. So we will start with Ultra Howlkor, or Howlkor Ultra. Alright, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Nice. He didn't quite jump like he was supposed to, but that's okay. Then we have Ventus Howlkor. And lastly, we have Haos Serpenteze. So let's do this one. 3, 2, 1. What just happened? Hope I don't have a faulty magnet. Let's try that again. 3, 2, 1. Oh. What the heck? I think this one might have a faulty magnet, guys. Oh. There we go, I popped it open. Haos Serpenteze. Alright guys, so that is it for the Haos Serpenteze and Ventus Howlkor Battle Pack. Alright guys, so that is it for part 1 of my Bakugan Battle Pack unboxing series. Part 2 is going to be Darkest Hydrous and Aurelus Garganoid, so keep an eye out for that one. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like videos like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I'll see you guys next time. Finish it.